Eric Peterson with Arbrisk here. Today's weekly business tip, we're going to talk about how much your business insurance should actually cost. Now, as we know, running a tree care business, you have a ton of risk from working at heights, using large equipment, operating in tight spaces in an urban environment, and all those things, which obviously add to the importance of your insurance coverage and therefore the cost that you're paying. So we typically get a common question from tree care owners on how much should my business insurance cost? Now, our rule of thumb is it should be between 3 and 5% of your gross annual revenues. There are a lot of factors that go into this, but this would be for your general liability, your property insurance, your inland marine, or equipment coverage, your business auto, your workers' compensation, and your umbrella. So basically 3 to 5% is what you're looking at. Now, a lot of factors go into that. And the biggest one right away is region or location where you're at. The legal climate of your state or your city may change that right away. But the second biggest factor then would be your claims history, your loss history. If you've had claims in the past, you're going to pay more. Insurance companies want to give the best rates to companies that aren't going to have claims. And therefore, if you've had claims in the past, they see it as a predictor that you're going to have them into the future. So your own individual loss history is a big factor. The number of years in business, the type of work that you do, the type of equipment that you use, those are all other factors as well. The safety program that you have in place, if you have the written safety programs, return to work policies, all those different things, that has an impact on your claim or on your rates that you pay for insurance. So certainly all those things are factors in it. The 3 to 5% is merely a guide, but it's a good guide for you, and it's a good guide for planning and budgeting. If you're on the smaller new business side, it's going to be a little higher. If you're an established larger tree service, it's going to be on the lower side of that scale. So take that and certainly give us a call with any questions. We work with tree care companies all the time, obviously, on lowering their insurance cost. And those are the things that we can see. If you aren't working with a broker that specializes within the tree care industry, I definitely full-heartedly believe that you should get together with a broker that works just in the tree care space, because they understand these things that impact your premium a lot better than a general agency. So if you have other questions or you're struggling to put together a proper risk management program for your tree care company, reach out to Arbrisk today and we'll help you lower your insurance costs through risk management. Take care.